Today, probably going to do one of the easiest do-it-yourself videos. That's honestly these little silver strips. So all you do is, in the cracks, you're going to push them in. And it actually has a little flap right there that goes down in there. You push it in, and it kind of just gets rid of that crack and gives it a kind of design, kind of like how this is around. It's going to make it look like that. So I'm going to do that to my G6 and see how it looks. I'll show y'all along the way. So I bought just a little roll at the beginning just to see if it looked right. Sorry, winters get me all sick. Just to see if how it look and see if it look right in my car. Hoping it will, just because there's already silver on everything else. So what you're gonna do is you're kind of just gonna unroll it and kind of put it around and see how much slack you actually need, and then you just cut it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick, and I'll show you what it looks like. Talking about what I did is I kind of just went ahead and pushed it in and left some out. So I'm gonna finish pushing it in all the way down to where I need it to go, and then I know exactly how much slack I need, so I ain't cutting up too much and I ain't cutting up too little and making it look weird. So that's just what I kind of wanted to explain a little bit more in depth before I did it. So yeah, I'm going to continue on doing this, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is how it turned out looking. Doesn't look too bad. I think if I did it in a few more spots around my car, it would kind of just give it a better look. Instead of that just big gap right there, kind of just gives it a more fulfilling look. So I'm going to look around in my car, see if I can find a few more spots to do, and I'll show you exactly how it can make a car look better and thrown together. So I'll see you in just a moment.